In this quick video, I'm going to show you what to do if your artwork is larger than your scanner bed. There is a feature in Photoshop that allows you to merge two documents together. Super simple, will save you so much time. You don't have to cut your paper up and scan it. You can literally just scan both sides of your artwork and you can merge them with Photomerge inside Photoshop. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, you guys, forgive my kind of shaky camera action here, but I just wanted to show you really quick how if something is too big for my scanner bed, how I scan it. So what I do is I open it up, and obviously if I laid this down, it would be way too big. So what I do is I scan it in two pieces. So this, I would scan in, then I would open this. I would be very, very careful that all I'm doing is just pulling it over. So I want to be sure that it's still lined up. Then I close it and I scan it again. And then I'll show you how I put these both together in Photoshop. Now I'm opening up Photoshop, and this is how I'm going to merge those two items. I am going to go to File, Automate, Photomerge, browse, and I'm going to hold down Shift. This might be different for you if you're on a PC, but I think it's probably the same. So I'm holding down Shift so that it's selecting both of them. Then you can let go of Shift, and these should both be selected, and I'm going to hit Open. And then I'm going to hit OK. And Photoshop is going to merge the two images together. It's pretty amazing what Photoshop can do. And it's so simple. I remember struggling with this so much, and it's such an easy thing. And there you have it. It has totally put together those two pieces, which makes our life a lot easier because we don't have to try to do it. And what I recommend doing is coming over here into your layers panel, and I like to merge these because there's no reason that I need them to be separate, right?